What is good, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, I think I might have found the latest piece to add to my passive income arsenal. You guys know I love passive income. It's probably my favorite source of it. Well, it definitely is my favorite source of income. I love being able to go to sleep and wake up richer than I went to sleep. You know what I'm saying? But this protocol, this network, this new platform, well, it's not even that new. I haven't heard that many people talk about it, and I'm surprised, because fundamentally, and the different structures that it has in this protocol, I'm actually a big fan of, and I think it could really help keep this project very sustainable, because that is one of the big problems that we have with all these new passive income projects coming out in the crypto space. But this one has a bunch of unique features. So if you're excited for this video, make sure you smash the like button. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe and hit the post notification bell, because you're gonna want to be notified whenever I drop a gem. And trust me, all I drop is straight gems. You know what I'm saying? But in this video, I'm gonna get into exactly what this project is, how much it's paying out, how much I earned from using it for the past week. And I'm also gonna explain to you guys my goals for it and how you guys can get in it for yourself. So make sure you watch the full video. You'll get towards the tutorials towards the end of the video, and you'll get all the info about the project in the beginning. And let's just hop right into this. Wait, before we hop into this, I do have to let y'all know I put my Patreon onto this as soon as I got into it a week ago, and I already have some people that's went in on it, people that's already making profits back. So if you're interested in being alerted whenever I buy a new coin, whenever I'm taking profit on a coin, whenever I'm researching the coin, or just see every single coin I'm holding as of this point in my entire life, hit my Patreon up. It's right there, patreon.com/Joovier's Gems. It's also the first thing inside the description and inside the comments down below. We just launched the Discord finally. It's gonna be very late in there. As of right now, it's only for my Patreon people, but maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll open it up to everybody else. But as of right now, it is only for my Patreon people, but the Discord is live. But without further ado, let's really hop into this now. Look at this money, baby. All right, so boom, here we are. Drip Network, drip.community is the website if you want to check it out. I have to start the video by saying this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a CPA. I'm not a broker. I'm none of that. You know what I'm saying? We're just friends. I'm trying to put you on to what I'm on to, and today I'm on this. Well, the past week I've been on this. So Drip Network, basically what it is a staking protocol that pays out 1% every single day. No matter what, it's going to pay out 1% of the amount of tokens that you have staked in here. So if you have $500 worth of tokens staked in here, you'll get $5 every single day. For a lot of people, $5, an extra $5 every single day passively is completely life-changing. It's the same, it would work the same if you put $10,000 in here. You would make $100 every single day, which is absolutely some crazy life-changing money for people as well. You could put a little bit or you can put a lot. It really does not matter. But I'm about to dive into a couple things about the project itself, but I don't want to do, I'm not going to go over everything, because I do want you guys to do your own research before you decide to hop into this. One thing I do have to say, it is a referral-based only kind of thing. You can only get into this protocol if you're referred to by somebody else. I actually have a referral thing. It's basically a buddy link. If you guys want to sign up for it, you guys use the link and the buddy address in the description. I'll get into that as well too, how you guys can also do all that and pass it on to your friends and everything like that. But Drip Network, there are a bunch of things about this thing. First of all, the website's cool. Look at the water. Look at the water. Once I saw water on the website, I was like, yeah, I'm finna put $100,000 into this. You know what I'm saying? But there are a bunch of cool things about this project. We're gonna go to their white paper right now. I do suggest everybody, if you're looking at a project, make sure you read through their white paper. Read through every single documentation they have before hopping into any investment. So right here, their headline is the first ever deflationary daily ROI platform. 1% daily return on investment. Sustainability through tax on TX. Full team building referral system, compound interest. So in here you see a bunch of different points that they have with this protocol. They're obviously offering 1% daily. Sustainability through their tax, which I'm going to go through. It's one of the biggest selling points for me, why I actually think the project is so good overall. They have this full team building referral system. You can use this if you want to. You don't have to use it. You kind of just need one person to get you inside. But once you're inside, you don't have to go around referring this thing to people. You can literally just do it by yourself. Then of course there's compounding interest, where you can compound your money on top of it. I made a bunch of videos explaining how powerful compounding interest is, so keep that in mind when it comes to drip. So if we scroll down some more, we have who the person was developed by. His name is Forex_Shark. He is on Twitter. Oh, this is what I wanted to read. The Drip Network's Faucet is a low-risk, high-reward contract that operates similar to a high-yield certificate of deposits. Players can participate by purchasing drip from the platform swap page, joining another user's drip team. Depositing drip to the Faucet contract earns a consistent 1% daily return of their drip. Why I believe so heavily in this project as a whole, even the sustainability of it. If you've been keeping up with the crypto market in the past couple of days, the past couple of weeks, the past couple of months, to be honest, it's been a lot of red action on it. We've had a lot of correction going on in the market. There's been a lot of red. People have been selling off a whole bunch, because technically there is no downfall for selling off. There's no like punishment for selling, except for if you bought high and you sold low, you lose that profit. But this has come out with another, I've seen a handful of other protocols doing this as well, but they're basically charging a 10% tax on any transaction on it, and that's basically how they're able to pay out everybody that is staking. What I mean, a 10% tax, they're taxing people 10% when they buy and 10% when they sell. So technically, of course, when you're first getting into it, it sucks because you have to pay the tax, but you realize after a while that really wards off a lot of people offloading a bunch of their money, because you guys know when people sell a bunch of their drip tokens or any token, the price plummets. But if there's a sales tax on it, people are less likely to sell a bunch at a time. And they also have another feature down here, which I'll show you guys a little bit later. But basically what it means with a 10% sales tax, if you let's say you swapped $10,000 worth of BNB to drip. This is on the Binance Smart Chain, so I just need to point that out. But let's say you swap $10,000 worth of BNB. They would take a 10% cut from that, and that would be distributed to the rewards of the people that's already staking drip. So you would technically only see $9,000 inside of your drip account, or you only receive $9,000 worth of drip. It goes the same if you're trying to take profit. Let's say you made profit and you want to take out $10,000. You would only be able to take out, well, you would take out $10,000, but in your wallet you'd see $9,000. And of course that sucks for the average person every day. We're like, oh, we're just getting 10% taken off for no reason. It's good and it's bad. It's bittersweet. Why I think it's so good is that it really it stops people from taking out so much money, because people don't really want to eat that 10% tax fee. So it kind of wards people off from selling all the time, which can help slow the selling pressure on these different things, which is really one of the things that kills these passive income protocols. Is once enough people start making money, they start taking profit, and it crashes the rest of the coin or the rest of the protocol for everybody else. So this is a cool feature that they have. They also have another feature down here for whales. Let me find it right here. So if you hold a very, very large amount of drip token, if you're considered a whale in the market, they have these additional taxes on top. So if a whale came in that owns 4% of the total supply and tried to sell all his tokens, which would ultimately make the price of drip drop down dramatically, well, drastically, I guess is the word, they would be charged a 20% tax to sell. So of course that wards off these whales that are holding drip as of right now. You see right here, if you hold less than 1%, you're getting taxed 0 on top of the 10%. You still get taxed at 10%, but all these are additional taxes. So if someone has 10% of the total supply, they're a super whale, they are going to get taxed 50% on that. So technically, let's say if they made $1 million, they're only going to receive $500,000, which, I mean, it's still pretty good, but at the same time, no one wants to eat that. So it kind of stops. I'm trying to find another word for wards, but it kind of stops or makes people not so likely to sell off so much of their tokens, therefore crashing the price. There are a bunch of other different things with drip, but I do want to kind of go more deep into what I've personally done with it and my whole strategy with it as a whole, and then of course show you guys how you guys can get into it too if you guys want to. But I highly suggest you guys read through the white paper. But for right now, we're gonna hop right back into drip.community. Now if we come to coinmarketcap.com, each drip token is sitting at around $59.18 as of right now. When I first bought it a week ago, it was at $53, I believe, every single drip token. And over the past week, it did go up to 70 something. I guess it went up to $88 each. But then it dropped back down over to the $58 mark, which is where it's kind of been for a little minute now over in this area. So keep that in mind. I bought the token at a little bit less of what it is right now. Today it's up 7%, but I put $5,000 into it. So if we come over here to drip.community and we go to Faucet, which is where you go if you want to get started with it, you'll see my deposits right here is 85 drip tokens, which comes out to $5,488. I've earned $488 on my investment in the past week. Now, I do want to say something. Once you put your money into here, you cannot take your drip out. So let's say you put $10,000 into here. You cannot unstake that $10,000. You'll just be earning the money on it. And it would technically take you, if the price of drip stays at where it's at, it would technically take you 100 days to make all of your money back or get your return on investment, which is a pretty long time, but at the same time, this is something that I do see the price of it going up, so you wouldn't have to wait that long. Also, with the whole referrals and the whole compounding, it would be less than 100 days you would have to wait to get your return on investment. As you see here, I've claimed 5.1 drip. I actually haven't claimed that much. I've just been compounding it, because my strategy right now for drip is compound all of the tokens for 1 week, and then the next week I will take all profit and put that back into my wallet. So let's say for this entire week, I'm compounding every morning and every night, because the more you compound, that makes sense, the faster your rewards will grow. So I try to do it every morning and every night before I go to sleep. So for a whole week, I'll do that, and then for the next week, I'll claim all of it and take profit and maybe turn it into BNB and use it to invest into another project or take it out to go buy some Chipotle or something like that. I don't know, it depends how I'm feeling on that day. But that is my strategy for drip as of right now. But when you're coming into drip and you want to get started with it, let me actually refresh this so I can show you guys just the buddy part. I'll have my buddy link inside the description, and basically all you have to do is put my buddy address down here and press update. Then you kind of refresh it, and then you'll be able to deposit the drip. If you don't do that, then you won't be able to get into it. And I'll show you guys what the buddy, and I'll show you guys exactly how to get into it actually right now. If you guys have any questions about the project itself, after you've read the white paper, went to their Twitter, went to their Discord, all of that, then feel free to DM me on Instagram or hit my Twitter up at Joovier_. Also comment down below. I'll be happy to answer any questions. But without further ado, let's just hop right into how the heck you actually get into this. All right, so boom. Now I'm gonna get into exactly how you can get into this. It's actually very simple. All you really need is MetaMask and some BNB inside of your MetaMask. Of course, you need to have the Binance Smart Chain network added to your MetaMask. So once you have that, you simply just come to their website, drip.community.com, and then you're just gonna come, it'll take you to this homepage right here, but you need to hit this trade spot, because we do need to trade BNB for the drip token, and they have it right on their website. So over here, you just under buy drip, you would type the amount of BNB you want to transfer to drip. So say I want to do 0.01 just to test it out for right now, or just to show you guys. We're gonna press buy. Oh, I need to connect my wallet, sorry. You're gonna press buy, and then it's gonna come down, and all you have to do is approve it. And once it's approved, it'll give you the drip, and the drip balance will change right here. And once that happens, you'll be able to go into Faucet and hit deposit. But I have to show you guys how you guys have to do the buddy thing first though. But it's the same kind of strategy or the same process that you're doing to sell it. It says purchase successfully. But if you're trying to sell your drip, let's say you have it inside your Faucet. This is how much I have right now available, $50 worth. I would simply just come here, press the claim, and claim how many I would want to, and then I'll come to the swap, and I would swap or sell drip for BNB. That's how you would basically take profit on it. But it said it went through, so now I have some drip inside of my account as of right now. I'm trying to see how much. I have 0.08 drip. So if I come to the Faucet right here, it would not show any of this. Let me show you guys exactly what you guys would see. You guys would see nothing right here. You guys basically would need, it would not let you deposit any drip into here, would not let you do anything until you have added a buddy, which you guys can use my buddy link or you can find somebody else's. It really doesn't matter. If you want to use mine, you can use mine. It really doesn't matter. You do earn benefits. It's like once you deposit money, I'll get like a percentage of it, and then every time you refer somebody, you'll get a percentage of theirs. It's kind of like that type of system. But like I said, once you are actually in here, you don't have to refer anybody to make money on it. It's kind of just an additional thing if you want to do it. But you would come down here and you would have to come to this get buddy part, and you would just put my address into here. My address would be inside the description below, but you would just paste it in here. I have it over here on my other screen. Let's paste it in here. This is my address. You press update. Of course, I have no wallets connected, because if I connect my wallet, I won't be able to put the buddy in there. But that's basically how it works. You would then just press update. Then sometimes if it doesn't work, just refresh your thing. If that doesn't work, then just try putting the buddy address in again, because I know when I first did it, I had to put the buddy address in a few times, but it might work the first time for you. If we scroll down here, I didn't talk about this, but this is another cool feature that they have. If you're on my team, if you use my buddy airdrop, you'll see right here the team will be updated. Let me see, connect wallet. I have one person on my team as of right now, one direct person. I think there's some people under him as well, but I have one person directly on my team. And what this kind of airdrop thing feature allows you to do is, if I wanted to do a giveaway, let's say I give away $500,000, right? Not saying I'm doing that right now. Maybe one day I'll give away 500,000, but I'd be able to send everybody that's on my team, everybody that signed up with my buddy referral code, referral link, I'd be able to send them a certain amount of drip. So let's say I just wanted to team airdrop really quickly, and I would just send team address. It's not even connected right now, but it lets me basically airdrop, which technically means just send it straight to your address. So over the course of probably the next couple of weeks, I'll be doing a couple different airdrops just for the people on my team. If you guys want to be part of it, just use my buddy link and all that. So I'll be doing that, and yeah, that's another cool feature that they have, so you can kind of incentivize people to be on your team, I guess. But back to the kind of tutorial on how you'll get into it. It's very simple. Right here, you now have drip. As you see, I transferred the BNB to drip, and it gave me 0.08 drip. So you come here, you can either press max or choose how much you want to put into it, and all you do is press deposit. Oh, they have a minimum deposit of 1 drip. I did not even know that. So you have a minimum deposit of 1 drip, which as of right now is $59.19. So if I had 1 full drip, then I would be able to put it into here, but obviously I don't have that. But that's really the easiest tutorial I can give. It's literally all on the website. You don't have to go to any other website to do this. You just need BNB inside of your MetaMask wallet, and you're good to go. You're ready to start earning some crazy passive income. But that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you smash the like button. I know I kind of talked about it a lot. I feel like I've been talking for a million hours, but hopefully you guys are able to understand everything I was saying. Let me know if you guys are going to give this a try. Let me know if you got people in this already. I know one person in here, and he has like $400,000 worth of drip in here, and he's earning like $4,000 every single day from it. So that's really what intrigued me to get into it, because he started off with, I believe, like 10, 20,000, and he just was compounding, and he built it up to that. And I've also seen other people on YouTube that have like $2 million in it. So it is a cool space. It's something fun, but do keep in mind, this is not risk-free. This is not something that is guaranteed. There's no such thing as guaranteed money, especially inside crypto. And like I said, your funds are locked in here. Once you put it in here, you cannot unstake the deposits that you have deposited in here. So keep all that in mind before deciding to throw your grandma's I was about to say your grandma's funeral money. I gotta stop saying that. Now everybody grandma finna die. Before you throw your rent money in here. Yeah, that's softer. But yeah, if you want to be notified whenever I'm buying a coin, whenever I'm hopping into something like this, if you want to be kept up to date with my progress on this, sign up for my Patreon, because I do keep you guys updated on everything I buy. I tell you guys when I'm buying them. I tell you when I buy it out. I tell you guys when I'm selling, taking profit. I tell you guys everything. So if you want to be in my mind, you want to be there when I'm trading, man, sign up for the Patreon. If not, you still gonna get these free gems. There's no pressure. There's none. You don't have to sign up for my Patreon. But if you want to, you can. But if you don't, you still making money, because I'm dropping free gems. You have to understand. You're still gonna win either way, as long as you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, you're probably gonna lose. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I can't lie to you. You're probably gonna lose if you're not subscribed. But yeah, that's really about it. Good luck on your trades. Good luck on your crypto. Good luck on your drip. Good luck on... I could never think before. Good luck on your parents, man. Good luck on your grandma. I hope your grandma has the best of health. You know what I'm saying? Good luck on life as a whole. I'm gonna see you on the next video.